Hey YouTube, welcome back. Part 3 of my Holon Phantoms booster pack opening. Got another 8 packs to show you guys. So we'll go ahead and get started. I think I resolved my issue with the camera. So we'll go ahead and get started. I'm hoping to pull some more of what I need for this set. Actually, one second. Should have thrown those out while I had the chance. Dang. I'm hoping to pull some more hollows that I need. And I'm hoping to get that Blaziken. We got a Seadra, a Lairon, an Aeron, Mankey, Phanpy, Claw Fossil, Pikachu. Ooh, nice. Mewtwo Reverse. And this is the Deoxys, number 6, which I have. I need number 5 and 4, but that's okay. It's still a hollow. And I did get that Mewtwo Reverse. That's cool. Got a Raichu, Primeape, Poochyena, Omanyte, Trapinch, Torchic, Psyduck, Omanyte Reverse, and a Nosepass. Nothing too spectacular in that pack. Besides getting that Omanyte Reverse. I don't have that one. But I do not collect reverses. So it'll be up for trade, most likely to Lady K. Lairon, Rare Candy, Root Fossil, Magikarp, Torchic, Pidgey, oh, dang it, Execute, Rayquaza Reverse, and a Cradily, which I have, but that's cool. Look at that. We got a Cradily hollow. Bam. So I was expecting to get double hollows, mainly because usually when you only have a few hollows left, the chances of you getting them are a lot less. That's when people usually get frustrated and see duplicates. We got a Wishcash, Holland Lake. I still haven't gotten that dang Mr. Stone's project. Barboach, Corphish, Surskit, and that's a friggin' uncommon. Torchic, Electric, a Donphan Reverse, and a Latias again. That's my like third of these. Those are so common, man. Absol, Executor, Lairon, Oddish, Numel, Trapinch, Poochyena, Kabuto, Rare Candy Reverse, and I completely screwed that up, and I already showed you the rare. I'll go back and get it. It was the Absol. Because I am retarded. Pidgeotto, Holland's Cast Form. I love this card. It's so cool. Magikarp, Corphish, Barboach, Lileep, Pidgey, Baltoy Reverse, and a Zangoose. See, now that I got a Zangoose, I pulled another one. Boom, fell down. Good. Aerodactyl, Wobbuffet, still no project. Torchic, Electric, Poochyena, Root Fossil, Pikachu. Oh, I haven't reverse. Why can't I just get it in freaking normal form? And a Darkness Energy. Dang, I don't like reverses. Man. That was so mean. Let me tell you. Getting that in reverse, oh, it just killed me inside. Combuskin, Dark Metal Energy, Pichu, Mankey, Corphish, Carvana, Food Fossil, Corefish Reverse, and a Latios. Number 22. Which I have. That's a cool card. Alright, last pack. I haven't gotten an EX in a while. That would be nice. Get another one of those. Even a holo. And the part would be nice. Get a Primate. Donphan. Oh. Mankey. Phanpy. Claw Fossil. Pikachu. There's a Magikarp behind there. Carvana. And ooh. Deoxys, number 4. Which one is this form? I don't remember what form this is. Looks like Defense. But I have no idea how you tell them apart. But I need this one. So, check it out. That's a good way to end this part. Number 4. So all I need for holos is Latios, Gyarados, and Deoxys. So guys, stay tuned for part 4, the final part. Hopefully I'll pull some epic stuff in that. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and like. And thank you so much for watching.